number, you always go back to
Oh
yourself.
my
So,
God!
Ang galing! Oh my
Mind
God!
bending! Oh my gosh! Oh, wow!
My name is Justin Piñon, and people call me the mental assassin because of my ability to read minds. And for Sam.
Excited na ako!
So, I'm going to ask you to think of something. Think of a random number.
Okay.
Correct? Ano yung 4-digit number mo?
4185.
4185. Ladies and gentlemen.
Grabe!
Grabe, sobrang galing.
4185.
Oh my God! How did you do that?
Paano yun?
And alam mo kung anong pinaka-sobrang saya ko ngayong araw na. Sabi ko na may surprise ako sa inyo.
Yeah.
Anong super random ng iniisip mong number, you always go back to
Oh
yourself.
my
Oh
So,
my God! Ang galing! Oh my
Mind
God!
bending! Oh my gosh!
Grabe, nakaka-mind blown.
Na-shocks ako. Oh, wow!
Ang galing. Nanahimik!
Nagkatingin na lang kami, no?